In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Reels option not showing in on Instagram. So to fix this problem, you have three ways. The first way is you need to go to the Play Store and search for Instagram and then click on the update option right here as you can see. After you click on it, it will start updating the Instagram app like this, and after that you will get the option of the Reels. The second way is you need to go to the settings, go to the apps manager. Now right here click on Instagram and click on the force stop option and go to the storage, click on clear data and clear cache, and that's it for the second way. The third way, it may be the problem just from your region or your country because Instagram didn't put this option on all the countries. Don't forget to like, subscribe.